Let's begin by changing the space name and logo. To change the space name, navigate to the space. In this demo, let's see how to change the name of the demo project home space to Rocket Hub App Development. Now on the Space sidebar, click Space Settings. The Space Settings page is displayed. The page includes the space details, sidebar configuration, archive space, and delete space tabs under the Overview tab. The capabilities and tabs available in Space Settings depend on your permissions. Sidebar configuration is only available to product and space administrators, along with permissions, look and feel, archiving, and deleting a space. For changing the space name, ensure that you have the Space Details tab active. Under the tab, click Edit Space Details. The space details will be displayed in the Edit mode. In the Name text box, replace the old space name with the new name. Click Save to save the changes and exit the Edit mode. Next, to change the logo for your space, under the Space Details tab, click Edit provided against the Space Logo field. The Space Details dialog box will be displayed. This is another location where you can change the space name. Click Upload Image. Browse your computer folders, select the desired logo, and click Open. The selected logo will be displayed within the Space Avatar placeholder of the Space Details dialog box. Move the slider left or right in the dialog box to zoom in or out of the logo. Once you are satisfied with the presentation of the logo, click Save. On the Space sidebar, click Overview. Notice that the logo for the space is now updated with your selected image. Next, let's see how to customize the Space sidebar to show or hide various page links. To customize the Space sidebar, click Space Settings. Now click the Sidebar Configuration tab. A list of sidebar items will be displayed. Toggle the items that you want to display or hide from the sidebar. You can do this for Overview, Blog, and any apps, such as questions or calendars. Navigate to another screen and your changes to the sidebar configuration will be saved. Now let's edit the space shortcuts. Space shortcuts are personal shortcuts you add to a space. Shortcuts are helpful or important pages you access often. To add the first shortcut to your space, on the Space sidebar, under Space Shortcuts, click Add Shortcut. The Edit Space Shortcuts dialog box will be displayed. In the web address text box, provide the URL of the page for which you want to add a shortcut. For this demo, let's add www.atlassian.com. Although it's optional, you can provide a name for the page in the Name field. It is a good practice to provide this name, as the name is displayed in the shortcuts list instead of the complete URL. For this demo, let's add the page name as Atlassian. After you have provided the page details, click Add Shortcut. You can repeat the steps to add shortcuts for multiple pages. Let's add one more shortcut to open www.google.com. Once you are done with adding shortcuts in the dialog box, click Save to save your changes and to add these shortcuts on the sidebar under the Space Shortcuts section. Note that once you have added one or more shortcuts, the Add Shortcut button will not be visible again. To add new shortcuts or manage existing shortcuts, click the Add and Manage Space Shortcuts icon to open the Edit Space Shortcuts dialog box. Here, you can either add more shortcuts, click the Delete icon to delete existing shortcuts, or drag and rearrange the sequence of shortcuts. Click Save to save any changes you make and exit the dialog box. Notice the updated list of shortcuts on the sidebar. Another nice customization that you can do for your space involves applying a theme to the space. Let's see how to apply a theme to a space. Themes are used to change the appearance of your space. Confluence comes with a default theme, but your Confluence administrator can download and install other themes from the Atlassian marketplace. Once a theme is installed, it can be applied to the whole site or just to individual spaces. To apply a theme to a space, on the Space sidebar, click Space Settings. Now select the Look and Feel tab. Various tabs, such as Themes, Header and Footer, and PDF Layout, will be displayed. The capabilities and tabs available in Space Settings depend on your permissions. The Look and Feel tab is only available to product and space administrators. Under the Themes tab, choose Themes and select a theme option. Finally, click Confirm to confirm the change. The selected theme will be applied for the space. That brings us to the end of this video on customizing your space. In this video, you learned how to change the space name and logo, customize the space sidebar, edit space shortcuts, apply a theme to the space.